ambe wangu angachenzi ngomo manje mtolo na gogo nje gogo zijeneti
gogo jeneti
bibi langu antotamba pa Christmas nombozi
ayo but yo also ne 5 years usingatambe Christmas
kunitopa Christmas si ipo Christmas pero but not poor bas kama wewe ngito so Christmas pasera hivi sezona mirira Zimbabwe I represent every legendary.
Right.
Yeah, man. When it is necessary, it's good to pay homage.
This was.
I don't see that. Like we go to Jamaica right now. We go to play album. Rapid signal. Rene remix. Bob Marley. Yeah, man. That is paying homage
to the legendary.
To the legendary because he, you know, Jinwan is fun. All the men selling here. But that apparently you come there, you can go pizza and also claim anything from selling killer. But the dance can do.
Yeah.
On this side. Ina know what you want to take the run to chimpe one. Is it? Na ngwele light but the woman that fight I can't fight what is. And apparently there's nothing wrong to do the copyright when you know how to copy what is right for you.
All right.
Yeah, man. So know someone to ngo tayo chemo ntachinzi kwa mama. Tokumborere giriro kwa muri taka ku offend in any way. But munokwanisa futhi kunopezerana neZCC.
Alright.
Because I think ZCC one percentage of my royalties. Inini, I'm willing to give everything for Muri. Much upload the number rare amai. Tananas. I'm not man at the Bompay. I have the number and the range Makamuri be washing. And my Saras, you come with him to Romare, and I'm going to show up. But it is nothing in competition and kuna competition ni legend baba bongo wanziza babongo wachotero wakakura chinzwa alena dembo inini I did that song because of my father.
All right.
It's like when I just showed them babongo rapenyu was going to be the best man. What's that? Papa was also yo man. So manje tichatokutsvaga yo kana kuti mjitoyo ma efforts ekuti tione number dzenyu atitotadziwa kuzomboyoni maraisi enyu maraisi enyu mapazowe pachichaza mwangu kuti upenyu toziya life after death ya breadwinner we all know it tese takafirwa tese takatodirwa tese tinototadzirwa ani manziza mabvazi yacho pachikuru ndimwari nekunzwanana nekutase nekunamatirana kutendechi kumberi andozi hanzi kufa kwemujoni company ita
aivhari
so izveni